everyone, today we're going to make Brazilian dessert with a small twist that's going to bring your imagination thinking about Raffaello Rocher, the dessert, exactly, the small one, the balls. So stay tuned because it's going to start now. Now, after watching only the 4 ingredients that we're going to use, let's start cook because we need to cook it fast, let it chill, make the balls and serve. It's a process on only 5 to 10 minutes worth. So, okay, now in the cooking station we have a pot already on the heat, 5 out of 9. We have the Brazilian nut that I'm going to open and roast in the oven, and I'm roasting all the package. Why? Because we're going to use it in a different recipe, and you're going to find the recipe here probably for the tortellini that I'm making with the roots and the Brazilian nut and prosciutto. So make sure to check this recipe as well. For now, we're going to roast all of these on 150 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes until they are roasted and nice. We're going to take the condensed milk and pour all of it into the pot and add to it the butter. Make sure to start from a cold pot and not warm, otherwise it's straight away going to stick. And now, for the final, we're going to add the coconut after everything is already boiling. And I'm going to add only 70 grams out of the total that we have 120 in the recipe that you can find in the description below. And in this moment, I'm going to add the coconut and keep stirring it. This is the consistency that we are looking for. As you see, it's already thick enough, and after that it's going to chill. It will be much thicker. So now, carefully transfer it to a plate. Straight away, put hot water into it, otherwise it's going to be really tough to clean it. Careful when you're taking it, because it's milk, sugar, everything together, and because it's really hot, you're going to get burned. We want to put it in the fridge to chill completely, and after that we're going to make the balls, and the Brazilian nut will go inside, and after that coat it with the leftover coconut. So now our Beijinhos already chilled, and you can touch and feel how firm it is, but it's still a little bit soft. So now we have the Brazilian nut already roasted, and we're going to pick the one without the shell. The other one with the shell, I'm going to use it for tortellini, so make sure to check this video as well on the channel. And we have coconut that we're going to put as a coating and a butter, so the Beijinho not going to stick to your hands. So we're going to cut a little bit the Brazilian nut. Come closer, take a look, and start making the Beijinho. Cut them into 3. If it's too big, you can cut it into 4. In this moment, we'll take our butter, put it on our hands, take spoon, piece of the nut, put it in the middle and cover it. This is a little bit too much, and make a nice ball. At this moment we're going to take our Beijinho, put it in the coconut and coat it with it a little bit. Press it, so the coconut actually going to stick to it, and we have the beautiful ball. Keep the process going. So again, a little bit of Beijinho, the nut in the middle, cover it, make a ball, put it here. Usually I'm making like 5-6 balls, and then I'm coating them. And this is how you make beautiful Beijinho at home. Simple, easy, with a small twist. So, if you like this recipe and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you like this recipe in particular, give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below. And next week is going to be a different recipe with different flavors, different colors and textures. So, stay tuned. I'm Andre and this is ThinkOFood.